Hi, I'm Elli. I am the VP Global Service at Bricsys, and I've been with Bricsys for 3.5 years now. BricsCAD Maintenance is our way of supporting you with new versions, new features, and new ways of doing things, and making sure we help you when you need help. Well, actually, we have quite a few things in our maintenance program. We deliver you upgrades and updates. Of course, updates you always get, but upgrades are very important because they always contain a lot of new features. We also give you high priority support, which means we try to answer your question within 2 days. We also get you an expert immediately. We have a team of support engineers. We get the person with the most expertise on that topic immediately. We also have plugins at your availability, like Volt and ProjectWise. We have a lot of information available on our help center, and there's a lot more in our maintenance. You can purchase maintenance with any of our resellers or distributors, and you can purchase maintenance on our website. If you go to bricsys.com/maintenance, you find all of the information, and you can also immediately see there what the pricing is. If you have BricsCAD as a subscription, actually maintenance is immediately included. If you have a perpetual license, you can buy maintenance on top of that. You can extend that maintenance every year. More information on maintenance is available on our website, bricsys.com/maintenance. If you have already a license of BricsCAD and you don't have maintenance today, then you can always add maintenance also through our website or through our partner channel.